The holidays are coming around again, and so will another series on personal safety, especially while out shopping and walking around, etc. So I see companies selling personal safety devices, and I don't have any problem with those companies. I tend to not like MLMs, but whatever. It's totally a personal choice. But I want you to consider one thing. In California, we can carry pepper spray. Pepper spray, especially the gel, can be used from 10 or 12 feet away. So a stun gun, one of those knitting needles that you can stick in someone's eye, anything that requires close contact already has the perpetrator near your body. So I tend to like a couple different levels of protection, and one needs to be while the perpetrator is still pretty far away from you. So if someone is coming towards you, they've been following you, they look like they're going to attack, they're pulling a gun out, guns are going to be bad news. A knife, a rope, their hands, anything. The gel pepper spray allows you to shoot pepper spray in one direction without it going everywhere. So the problem with regular mace or pepper spray is that it's diffuse, and so it can blow back in your face, which causes an issue. It can also spread out so far. If the perpetrator is too far away from you, it may not incapacitate them enough. With the gel pepper spray, it sprays in a stream. So you are more likely to catch them in the face and continue catching them in the face because you can see where the gel is going. So that's just a little pointer for things to carry in your purse or in your pocket when you're out during the holiday season, which I notice has for some reason already started in the stores. Just protect yourself. Stay aware. Stay off your phone in the parking lot. Be aware of your surroundings. Park under a light. Carry some gel pepper spray. Anything else that you want to carry that's more for close contact. And just be wise and very careful. All right, I'm Anna Stowe. I am a private investigator in California with over 24 years of experience. Drop me some comments. All right, bye.